feeling tired all the time after 45. Here is a secret most people don't know, that constant fatigue isn't just getting older. It's your body sending you warning signs, but you can fix it. First, start your day with water plus a pinch of sea salt and lemon. Most of us wake up dehydrated, and this simple trick can boost your energy by up to 30%. Second, build a little muscle. Just 10 minutes of simple moves like squats or push-ups can fire up your metabolism and hormones. Third, try the 30-30 breakfast rule. Eat 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking. This stabilizes your blood sugar and prevents that dreaded afternoon crash. Fourth, get your sleep schedule consistent. Same bedtime, same wake-up time. It's the master switch for your energy. Finally, cut down on sugar and processed foods. Reducing hidden inflammation is a game changer for fatigue. You don't need to do all 5. Just pick one, stick with it for a week, and you'll feel younger than you have in years. Give it a try and let me know how you feel. Thanks for watching.